Want to create stunning AI-generated videos for free? Imagine turning simple text into professional videos with voiceovers, subtitles, and background music without spending a dime. In this video, I'll show you the best free AI video generator that does it all. Stay with me because by the end, you'll be making videos like a pro without any editing skills. Let's dive in. But before that, let me show you the video I created with this tool. Have you ever wondered why some relationships stand the test of time while others fall apart? The secret is not in grand gestures or perfect compatibility, it's in the small, consistent actions that build a foundation of trust, love, and understanding. A relationship without communication is like a car without fuel, it won't go far. Make it a habit to express your feelings, thoughts, and concerns openly. Listen to your partner with the intent to understand, not just to reply. When you communicate with love and respect, problems become opportunities for growth rather than roadblocks. It's easy to focus on what
Guys, so all you have to do is head on to your ChatGPT as usual. You can do this thing in two ways. You either generate the prompt, the relationship script prompt on Canva, or you come to ChatGPT. Me, I prefer coming to ChatGPT so that I can edit wherever ChatGPT is not right or where the English is not well scripted. I can edit it myself, or rather you can do it on CapCut as well, because CapCut also now generate prompts for any videos you want to create. Now it's very easy on CapCut now, but I still prefer it here. But sometimes when I feel lazy, I use CapCut to generate my script as well. So here is the prompt I asked ChatGPT to do. This is the prompt I sent to ChatGPT. I want you to write me an interesting relationship tips idea. So I'm going to be putting this prompt under the video description as usual, like I always do. I'll put it if you want to use it to generate any video script you want to generate. I'm going to be putting it. So after sending this to ChatGPT, this is what ChatGPT gave from me. I asked for a relationship tips script, video script. So here is what ChatGPT gave me. So I'm going to be copying this now. I'm going to be copying this and move on to CapCut. So here is the hook for the video. Here is the hook for the video. As you guys, if you prefer using hook, because I love using hook a lot in my video, and if you don't like it as well, you can just do it anyhow you want. So here is the thing. Now we're gonna move on to CapCut for the video generation. Sorry guys, a call came in. So when you get to your CapCut, this is what you're gonna be doing. This is where you are coming. This place, this free AI video maker, this is where you are coming. So you click on it. After clicking on it, so this place is going to come out. This place is going to come out. So here is instant AI video. Enter your script and select the style to generate a video with stunning idea. Here is an avatar. I'm still gonna do a video about this where you can turn your video, when you can turn your image to an avatar that talks anything you want it to say. I'm still gonna do a video about this. But for now, this is what we are gonna use. Instant AI video. This is where we're gonna put our scripts. Here is the style. If you want to use a realistic film, cartoon 3D, anime, clay, cyberpunk, whatever, they have a lot of style here that you can use. But I'm gonna go for this now. This is what I'm gonna go for. The cartoon 3D, I'm gonna go for that for now. And as it's a tutorial video, I'm gonna use this 16.19 dimension, so it's gonna be okay for me. Then I'm gonna be pasting this here in the script below. Later I'll paste your script here. So we're gonna be doing this. We're gonna paste that thing we copied for ChatGPT. That's the hook, like I said earlier. So we're gonna go back and copy the rest. We're gonna go back and copy the rest of the script, the video script. So the first one, we're gonna copy it. We're gonna copy the first one. Sorry guys. Here is the first one. Then we come back, we go back to where we want to put our script. Again, we paste it there. Then go back and copy the second script, the second scene, sorry. And you come back here again and paste your script again. Paste it. Well, it depends on how many scripts GPT gave you. Right? It depends on how many scripts ChatGPT gave you. It's because of how I asked ChatGPT to make the video longer. So it asks like 4 scripts with a closing call to an action for users to want to come back for more video. You understand? Or for users to subscribe. So we're going to be copying this top scene and go back to CapCut again, paste it there, go back to it again. You can see you do that for all of the scene. That's how you're going to do it for all of the scene. Copy again, go back to CapCut. Then you're going to be pasting your scene, paste it there again, and go back for the last scene, copy and paste. So create, simple as that. Once you pick the style you want, maybe it's anime, maybe it's 3D, maybe it's realistic, maybe it's whatever style you want to put, and you choose the ratio dimension you want, then paste your scripts, then generate. That's all, period. This thing is gonna come with caption or subtitle, rather. It's gonna come with a background sound, and it's gonna come with a voiceover. The sweetest thing about this thing is that you can even use your own voice, but first of all you have to add your voice to this AI video maker. There's a way you can do it, then I will show you in the next video. If you want me to do the video, you should comment under the comment section so I can do it. You can add your own voice to this thing. This is how sweet CapCut is nowadays, right? Couldn't generate media for some scenes. Okay, let's see. Things like that occur in your video, guys. This is how you don't do it. You can easily go whichever scene you see that thing occur. You can easily click on it and or picture for it. You can regenerate. Let me show you guys where it is. That thing, then generate AI media. Generate AI media. That's what you will click. You will go back for all. That's what you do for all the things that are not media generated yet. That's how you will do it for all. You see that it has been generated already. Do you see, guys? It has been generated. So you go for the next one. That's the AI. That image has not been generated yet. You go for it. Okay, I think all are now been generated. So anywhere you see that the image has not yet been generated, you can easily go there and just click on the generate AI media. The thing will automatically generate on itself with the voiceover. It will generate on itself with the voiceover. That is how simple it is, guys. Now let's listen to what we have here and see if it comes with voiceover. As you can see, it already came with caption or what is it called? It's already came with caption or subtitle already. So let's see here the voiceover.
Wondered why some relationships stand the test of time while others fall apart. The secret is not in grand gestures or perfect compatibility. It's in the small, consistent actions that build a foundation of trust, love, and understanding. A relationship without communication is like a car without fuel. It won't go far. Make it a habit to express your feelings, thoughts, and concerns openly. Listen to your partner with the intent to understand, not just to reply. When you communicate with love and respect, problems become opportunities for growth rather than roadblocks. It's easy to focus on what's missing, but true happiness in a relationship comes.
So guys, tell me if anything is missing in this video, and if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button, and make sure you share for others to benefit from this video. See you guys in my next video.